Welcome back to AuthAndPay Starter Kit. In our previous videos, we demonstrated how to enable multiple accounts to support teams, organizations, and merchants within the same tenant. Now let's take this a step further and explore one of the most powerful features for building a marketplace: merchant onboarding via Stripe Connect. With merchant onboarding, sellers can seamlessly integrate with your platform, allowing them to manage their own payments, receive payouts, and operate independently under different charge models. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have merchant onboarding fully set up, giving your platform the flexibility to support multiple merchants and process payments effortlessly. Let's get started. First, we need to configure Stripe webhooks to receive events from connected accounts. Go to your Stripe dashboard, navigate to Webhooks, and create a new webhook specifically for Stripe Connect. This webhook is different from the one we set up for payments. It is designed to handle events related to connected accounts. The only event we need to track is account.updated, which will notify us of any changes to a merchant's status. Next, set the webhook endpoint URL. Since we're working locally, we'll use ngrok to expose our local server to the internet. Run the command ngrok http 8080. This will generate a public HTTPS URL. Now append /IPI/webhooks/Stripe Connect to this URL and save the webhook. Once it's created, reveal the signing secret, copy it, and paste it into the application.yaml file under the webhook secret configuration. Now, restart the application to apply the changes. At this point, our platform can accept webhook events from Stripe Connect. The first time that you click on the Connect menu item or More Connect, you will be redirected to this page where you need to provide some information. So you click Next, and then you select how the funds will flow into your platform. If the seller will be responsible to collect the payments, or this will be done by platform, there are several options. Then some acknowledgement information, and then how the sellers will be paid out. Let's say the second option, using your platform. What kind of industry you are. Just select this one. Then we select the onboarding hosted by Stripe and the Express dashboard. Okay, and currently, the Tell Us About Your Platform section has been filled out. When you are in production, you would need also to set up all the rest information, and of course, activate your Stripe account. So now, if you go to our platform, let's move on seeing how we can enable this merchant onboarding. Since we're now dealing with marketplace sellers, it makes sense to rename organizations to merchants for a more intuitive experience. Go to multiple account settings, update the naming, and provide translations for different languages if needed. Once saved, you'll notice that all references to teams and organizations have been updated to merchants. Now let's enable merchant onboarding. When enabled, you'll see several options for charge types, allowing you to control how payments flow between merchants and customers. For now, we'll stick with separate transfers. Next, let's create a new merchant. Go to Merchants, click Create New Merchant, enter a merchant name, and optionally upload an image. Once created, we can now invite a merchant user. Depending on the role assigned, a merchant user may have full control over onboarding, settings, and payouts. For this tutorial, we'll handle the onboarding process directly from the root account. Now, go to the merchant dashboard and click Start Onboarding. Select a country, for example, Finland, and proceed. You'll be redirected to Stripe's onboarding page, where the merchant enters their business type, legal name, and business registration details. Since we're in test mode, we'll use test data for verification. After submitting, Stripe processes the information, and we're redirected back to our platform. At this point, the merchant status is in progress, meaning that Stripe requires additional verification. Let's check this in Stripe. Go to Stripe dashboard and then Connect Accounts. Find the newly created merchant and check for any pending actions. Here we see that the merchant has not yet provided an ID verification document. To complete the process, click Request Verification, copy the generated link, and send it to the merchant. Once the merchant receives this link, they can access Stripe Express dashboard. They need to enter their phone number and put the verification code they receive. Then navigate to Account Settings, and at this place upload an ID verification document. For this demo, we'll use a test document and submit the request. After submission, Stripe processes the document, and once everything is verified, the merchant is fully onboarded. Now if we go back to our platform and refresh the page, we can see that the merchant status has changed to completed. If we log in as a merchant user, we can now click Access Stripe Dashboard, enter the phone number for authentication, and get full access to Stripe's merchant dashboard. With merchant onboarding via Stripe Connect, Your platform is now fully equipped to handle marketplace operations, allowing multiple vendors to sign up, receive payments, and manage their finances with ease. Make sure to subscribe and start using AuthAndPay today. Visit AuthAndPay.com to get started. See you in the next video.